Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I got the hot pink just in time for the summer and my skin is glistening. So if you're interested in seeing how I install this wig, please stay tuned. I used the watercolor method to get this pink, and I'm gonna put the link to the video below so you guys can see. And I won't be talking much in this video. I just want to point out the lace tint that I'm using. That is the lace tint that I made in the previous video. So if you're interested in how I made the lace tint, you can go and watch that video. And I'll put the link in the description for you guys. My makeup not gonna be all that. I'm just let y'all know right now. It's already look bad. So So this is what the wig looks like with no glue. Cause bitch, I sure don't feel like putting no glue. Bitch, my lashes, I look so ghetto with these big ass lashes. What the fuck are you? Lashes is fucking throwing me off. I'm gonna take these lashes off. Cause this shit is ugly. Bitch, like, really? This shit pissed me the fuck off. I'm putting baby hair on this wig because it's already pink. So if you guys were interested in seeing what kind of wig looks on a black girl, this is it right here.
But let's be clear.
I hope you ladies enjoyed this look as much as I did. I was very skeptical about how this kind of hair would look on my skin tone, but it came out perfect. So like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.